Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today we are going to unbox this. This one is the Raya, the Disney movies characters. So yeah, let's go and then unbox this. My wife got this out of Target. So I'm not sure which set that she got. Let's go and then open this up. Oop. Inside the invoice. My bad, she bought some of the L'Oreal Moisture shampoo 3-pack. One of them is FUNKO Pop Yellowstone. So I guess the Disney characters on the other package. So let's go and then open this up. I'm not sure why they use a zip tie for this. Well, anyway, this is what it look like. 100% vegan. So they put this in a sealed plastic bag. They actually double bag it so it doesn't, in case it's come out, it won't spill over the box. Let's go ahead and open this up. Wow. Disney, Raya, and then the last dragon. So there's I guess there are two of the Raya, and then Tuk Tuk, Namari, Noi, Ongs, and then Shisu. Collect them all. Go and then open this up. Wow, there you go. So it looks like she's holding that sword. And then that sword is expendable. So this one is made in Vietnam. Yeah. Let me try to unbox the other box. So here's a clear stand that's on the bottom here. That's like the bottom of the foot. There's a hole right there. So there you go. Let me put this back. Let me go move the other box. Oh my god. This box is pretty heavy. At first I thought this is a shampoo. Maybe the shampoo's in here too. I don't know, let me check. Hopefully she didn't go crazy and bought all the characters. Oh my goodness, look at that. Wow. Oh my god. So the rest of them is this L'Oreal Paris Elvive Total Repair 5. And then this is from Target. Here's like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Total repair. And all of them are total repair 5. Not sure why it's a different size. It's a 12.6 fluoro ounce, 20 fluoro ounce. And then this one is 28. Alright, so this one is the 3 exclusive figures. Figuring exclusive. Shisu. And then that's the father. And this is by a Hasbro, 3+ years or older. It says choking hazard, small parts. So you got Raya, Shisu, and crew must fight together to save Kumandra. Let's go and then open this up. There's a flower right there. There are weapons. Check out the back. Well, yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.